Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to my video. All right, so if you guys have check engine light issues, a whole host of codes, issues with trying to reset a code after you replace the part, obviously you're gonna have to reset the ECU. Now, one of the methods that's absolutely most people know about is to take the negative cable off the battery for a couple of minutes and then put it back on. Or if you're one of those people who is a stickler for draining all the power, making sure that the ECU gets reset 100%, where all the electricity is drained out from the system, they'll take the positive and negative cable off, and then they'll put a zip tie with them together, and they'll keep it that way for like 15 minutes, an hour, maybe a whole entire day. However, there is an easier way to reset the ECU, and I'm gonna tell you guys how to do that. And this method doesn't reset the clock, doesn't reset the stations that you guys have already set up, your own personalized media. None of that gets reset except for the ECU. And obviously in this situation, you're gonna go to where your fuse box is. Your fuse box. There is, in most cars, an ECU fuse. All right, now you're gonna go into your fuse box, you're gonna look at the description of the fuses. Hopefully you have a cover where it gives you a description of which fuse it goes for what. All right, it's connected to what component of the vehicle. It's gonna say ECU on the box itself, on the cover. You're gonna find that fuse, and you're either gonna use a little, what's that called? There's a little plastic. Sometimes it comes with a plastic clip where you guys could actually clip out the ECU. If not, you're gonna probably have to, ease it out with your hand or use long nose pliers or whatever. However it is that you need to get the fuse out, take it out for like a minute, and then put the fuse back in. And at that point, you guys should be all good as far as resetting the ECU is concerned. By the way, if you guys have ECU issues where, for whatever reason, your car is not communicating with your car's computer, make sure that fuse is not blown. That's what you guys want to do. You guys want to make sure that fuse is not blown, because if that fuse is blown, obviously you're going to have, the whole communication problem with all the components of your car and ECU. You're going to have 10 million, a gazillion codes, or you're not going to have any codes at all, because when you scan it, it's not going to go all the way through. But that's a whole nother situation. And, that's it. If you guys have any own personal experiences with this, definitely leave a comment in the comment section. Please subscribe. Please give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment anyway, good or bad. All right, guys, take care.